Hello and welcome back. Today we've got another £250 worth of 50p's to have a hunt through, looking for the commemoratives, the ones with more than face value, but ideally some of the ones we're still looking for. First page, all we need is that elusive holy grail of UK coin hunting, which is Kew Gardens. That'd be a superb one to tick off. We've got a whole plethora of Olympics still to find. We're doing pretty well though, considering how few videos we're into this book, but yes, some work still required, as would be expected. More recently, we just need Puddle Duck, Newton, 2018, Peter Rabbit and Mrs. Tittlemouse. They would be nice ones to tick off, but we've got everything up to and including diversity. So without further ado, let's get into these bags. So before we get into the coins, I'd like to take a moment to thank a returning sponsor to my videos, Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online community where millions come together to help learn and teach along the creative journey. With thousands of classes from illustration, music, marketing and much more, there will be something that can assist you. The classes are a combination of lessons and class projects that are really interactive and fit around your busy schedule and on demand. I recently did a class myself called Find Your Style, 5 Exercises to Unlock Your Creativity by Andy J. Pizza. The class focused on drawing on your own life experiences, people around you, even failures you've come across, to help create your own identity, and that can be transferred into a creative identity, not just into art but also your own brand, or for people like me, my video styles. The classes are curated for learning, so there are no ads and there are always new premium classes being launched, and you can follow your creativity with an annual subscription. It works out less than £10 a month. The kind people at Skillshare have offered the first 1,000 of my subscribers who click the link down in the description will get a free trial of premium membership, so that you can go on and explore your creativity and have a look to see what they're offering over on Skillshare. So again, massive thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Right then, the first bag we're going to go through in real time, and I'll show you what it is that we are looking for. So that is Shield. Shield will be looking for the years 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18, 20, potentially 21 because we've not seen any yet, for years that weren't issued for circulation, so NIFCs. Equally, the year 2017 is a low minted year, we shall also be keeping an eye out for. And then Britannias like this will look for the year 2008, which is a low minted year, and anything after 2008 was not issued for circulation, so some strike your owns, the 50 years of the 50p, that kind of thing. I keep these separate to make it easier to hunt through at the end of the video, so I can update you as to whether we found any or not. Our first find is Girl Guiding, which is a very nice one. It's a pretty common coin, but it was in 2019 reissued as part of the 50 years of the 50p set, so we'll check to see if we've got ourselves a 2019. We don't. That is a 2010 original. We've got back-to-back finds here with Christopher Ironside. I like Christopher Ironsides. I keep them all because they're cool Christopher, I'm cool Christopher, and that seemed like a good idea at some point. But yes, I've got a fair few of those in my collection. But anything Olympic, especially one we still need, especially Kew Gardens. I don't know that any coin tuber, as of recording, has found a Kew Gardens in 2021, so that would be cool to be the first. But nothing else to be had out of that first bag. What we'll do from now is to speed up until we find anything. Oh, our first find is Benjamin Bunny, the most common commemorative 50p. We've got a 2020 there. It's diversity. We're finding a lot of diversities recently. We don't know mintage figures for them. We've got counters tracking some of the more common ones and the ones we don't know the mintages for. Some of the scarcer ones too. Just as a bit of fun to see how many we find in the course of filling a book. Another 2020 there. It's another diversity. Awesome stuff. Peace, prosperity and pepperonis maketh the breakfast 50p. And there we've got dictionary. Very common. Victoria Cross, the medals, again was reissued in 2019. This one though is an original circulated version. Oh, we've got Olympic. Amazing stuff. Olympic hockey. Nice condition too, isn't it? Superb find. Any Olympic you find is a decent find. They are so scarce nowadays. We're lucky to find one or two in a hunt. We average about 1 in 250 pounds, but no, cracking stuff. Our first Olympic. And there's Jeremy Fisher from 2017, very common. Oh, I see another Brexit. There we go, Brexit the second. We got Paddington at the station there, my favourite Paddington. Pretty cool. Oh, Benjamin Bunny, very common as we know. And there's Roger Bannister. Again, one that was reissued in 2019. What have we got here? Nope. Original circulating coin. Paddington at the Cathedral there. Very nice. Very common though. Our second Paddington along the Paddington Parade. There is another Brexit. And there's Jeremy Fisher. Ooh, Olympic number 2. Good golly. It's Paralympic. You can tell it's got a little C up there rather than the little onion rings. The Olympic rings, not onion rings. But no, another very nice find. Superb stuff. 2 already. We've still got tons of bags to get through still. Wowee. We start this bag off with another Benjamin Bunny. There's another Paddington at the Cathedral. Oh, almost missed it. Girl guiding there. Is it going to be 2019 though? Nope, not this time. Maybe next time. Ooh, shiny 2020. I reckon diversity. Ding ding ding, points to Mr. Collects. Well, there's a nice Paddington at the station. Very nice quality, this one. And then another dictionary. almost missed him. Running away, another Roger Bannister. Come on, 2019. Nope, maybe next time. We've got ourselves another dictionary here. We've got a 2016 Peter Rabbit. Not the nicest of quality, has to be said, but it's still slightly over face value. The values I put up are based on decent quality ones. I don't factor into quality because that's a little bit too much work to be putting in, but an idea of what sort of prices they may fetch on the secondary market should you have a good quality one. But no. Very cool. Our first 2016 Beatrix Potter of the hunt. And there's another Paddington at the cathedral. Oh, was missing lots today. Victoria Cross Heroic Acts. Again, reissued in 2019. This one, though, is an original 2006. Oh well. Better luck next time. And there is a Benjamin Bunny. Very common. Oh, there's a shiny Roger Bannister. Could it be? Could it be? Nope. For a moment I was a bit excited that this could be one, but no. An original circulating coin. Ah, come on. This is to be the fourth Roger Bannister. We don't normally find 4 of these in a hunt, but here we go. 4th time's a charm, right? That's how it goes. 5th time. 5th time. Another diversity there. Lovely. (2017's) Peter Rabbit there. That's a bit grubby, isn't it? What on earth is that? It's just a Britannia. 2002, that's fine. That was really cool, kind of been an upset. But we've got ourselves another Benjamin Bunny. There's another Brexit. Diversity even. Jeremy Fisher there. It's just Tom Kitten we're looking for, isn't it? Yeah, then we made the whole 2017 setup. And there's another Victoria Cross, the medals. Again, a 2006. Pretty cool though. Oh, I saw something then. It is an Ironside. Now I keep my Ironsides not because of any value in them, just purely because they're called Christopher, I'm called Christopher. And at one point that seemed like a good idea. Another Jeremy Fisher, still eluding us, that little Tom Kitten. Paddington at the cathedral there. And another Jeremy Fisher. Nice shiny little frog, that one. Look at the quality on that. For coin that's been circulating since 2017. Not in bad nick, is he? All of a sudden we've made it onto the last bag of the hunt. We've had a couple of nice finds, to be fair. It's been definitely a positive result. For those that have watched this finds video though, you may be interested to know that I have a Discord server. You can click the link down in the description to come and join that. If you're over the age of 13, that's Discord's rules, not my rules. Alternatively, you can catch me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and there's a PO box you can write into if you so wish. Another Victoria Cross medals. Again, a circulating one. I can't find it, there we go. We'll see if the last few coins are anything. Sadly not. Well, I'm going to have a look at the coins off to the side to see if we found any key dates. Well, some luck with our key dates. We got two additional, not additional, just two 2008 Britannias, which is fairly nice going. Two new ones for the book. Both the Olympics were new ones, so I shall show you if I can remember which ones they are now. It was hockey and table tennis. So they are contenders for star find in today's video, but do let me know what you pick as your star find. It's always interesting to know, and as ever, all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.